So what if the camera that you carry around didn't just record your life, it understood it? For years, the tech world has been chasing the dream of a screenless, context-aware wearable camera. Something like a live second brain that quietly journals the forgotten, fleeting moments of your day. Well, that vision is officially a reality. This is the Looki AI camera, the ultimate lifestyle companion where life meets its stories. This isn't an action camera, and it's not meant to replace your Hollywood cinema rig. It's not even meant to replace your smartphone. It's a completely hands-free AI wearable camera for everyday life. Instead of overwhelming you with massive files that you'll probably never edit, it uses AI models like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude to automatically capture your day, curate your highlights, and even turn your life into a comic book. But for now, let me just tell you a little bit more about this camera.
MrBlack.
And also welcome to the channel where I love to share with you cool gadgets, gear, and the latest and futuristic tech that you probably didn't know exist. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button, and I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Looki AI did send this to me, and they're sponsoring this video so that I could take my time, test out the features, wear it around, and share with you guys the results and my experiences. And right out of the box, the Looki L1 makes a massive statement by making almost no physical footprint at all. The absolute standout feature of the hardware is the weight. It comes in exactly at 32 grams. Very, very lightweight. That way when you clip it onto your shirt or jacket or whatever, you barely even know it's on there. The build quality feels robust, and practically speaking, it is. The L1 is IP67 water and dirt resistant, meaning you can get caught in a sudden downpour on a hike or splash it while doing the dishes, and you don't need to panic. And not just the weight, it's also really tiny. It's roughly 2 inches tall and 0.6 inches thick. You don't have to mount it on some heavy tripod or wear a ridiculous head strap. You just use the magnetic Go clip, snap it onto your clothing, and then you go out and live your life. Now let's talk about the specs, because setting your expectations here is crucial. This is not some type of 8K cinema camera. The L1 is heavily optimized for an ambient life, vlogging, and extreme battery efficiency. It shoots video at 1080p, 30 frames per second, and captures 4K resolution photos. The lens is a 16mm equivalent with an f/2.2 aperture and a wide 190-degree field of view. And for a 32-gram device, that's actually surprisingly solid. The camera also features a built-in 6-axis gyroscope that powers its electronic image stabilization, so walking footage stays smooth, and it also supports auto HDR to help balance out bright skies and dark shadows. Now, the real magic here is the AI mode. You don't walk around actively hitting the record button. Instead, the camera uses its ambient sensors to intelligently detect highlights in your environment. It knows when you're engaged in an interesting conversation, maybe you're watching your kid score a goal, or just enjoying a beautiful view. And it automatically triggers short, hands-free recordings. It stays in the background, making sure you're present in your own life. Where the Looki L1 transforms from a very interesting gadget into a revolutionary lifestyle tool is when you open up the companion app. All the raw data it captures during your day syncs via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, but Looki doesn't just dump 100 random disorganized clips on your camera roll. It acts as your personal AI editor. First, we have auto vlogs. The Looki AI scans the hours of footage that you've collected, completely drops out the boring bits, and instantly generates delicate, stylized vlogs, complete with text and music, saving you hours of editing. But my absolute favorite feature is the life comics. Without needing any artistic skills whatsoever, Looki's AI will take the everyday moments it captured and transform them into a vibrant, shareable comic strip. It analyzes the context of your day, who you're with, where you went, and it builds the narrative out of that. It's an incredibly fun and unique way to document family time, a weekend getaway, or just some random Tuesday. And because the AI taps into models like Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude, it's not just a smart camera, it's actually even a smart assistant that you can wear, because it sees what you see. With the 3 built-in microphones featuring active noise reduction and a built-in 1-watt speaker, you can literally ask any question about your environment. Whether you want real-time tips, translations, observations, or just a quick voice chat, Looki provides contextual-aware insights because it constantly learns the context of your daily life. So there's only a couple buttons on here. The top button you can press to start video recording. The bottom one you can press to take photos. If you hold down the top one, it goes into audio recording mode, so just record the audio. Hold it again to turn it off. And the bottom button, if you hold it down, it starts story mode. And then through the app, you can adjust how many seconds you want to capture per how many minutes, or every 5 minutes you want to capture 5 seconds or something like that, just to kind of give it some kind of direction. I also do like the magnetic pendant on here and a little cage that you could put on there as well with a wrist strap if you want to just kind of hand hold it. Now, battery life. If you leave it in default AI mode, where it occasionally wakes up to create short highlighted clips, it can give you a battery life up to 12 hours. If you switch it to just continuous recording, you're looking at more 1 to 3 hour range. But when the battery does get low, it gives you a notification via the app on your phone, and then you can just plug it into the USB-C on the mount, and it fully recharges in about 90 minutes. Storage-wise, it comes with 32 gigabytes of built-in memory, which is plenty for all-day 1080p videos. So what about privacy? Having an always-on AI camera understandably raises some eyebrows. Looki tackles this head-on with a strict privacy-first architecture. It features end-to-end encryption from day one. Your data is housed securely via AWS and Google Cloud with a proprietary proactive firewall that filters out inappropriate content before the AI processing starts. Plus, Looki guarantees zero training, meaning they never use your personal data to train their AI models. And you can easily review and delete any of the footage you've created via the app. So that might set you more at ease on the privacy issue. This Looki L1 currently retails around $249 US, with no mandatory subscriptions or hidden fees for their standard services. I feel like after all of that, you know who this is for. You can already probably picture capturing your next adventure or weekend getaway by just wearing this and then seeing what the AI can process, and actually it turns out pretty good. Kind of forces you to put down the phone, look up, and live in the moment. And that's it for today's video. Make sure you check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price at your currency. Plus, there is a coupon code to save you some money, so check it all out down there. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see some other really cool gadgets and gear that we've looked at on this channel, I'll put some video links on the screen, so you can click one of these, and I'll see you next time.